Hi, my name is Rookie. So here we have a question. It's like a number, let's say, like 16,865. And it's divisible by 7. And then it tells you to find the value of A. But you can't just guess and then try 0 or 1 or 2 and try it. No, you have to first know the divisibility rule for 7. First, I'm going to introduce you a special number, let's say. So it's 1001 because it equals 7 times 11 times 13. But here it's just talking about 7, so I'm gonna make it simpler. 7 times 143. And then you could use that to solve the question. So the divisibility rule is you count from the right to left. You count every 3 digits, you make it a section. So like here, in this case, it's D, E, F, and A, B, C. And then those are sections. And then you could also, if you want, you can number it out. So D, E, F is the first section. A, B, C is the second section. And then see these numbers, you can use that number. You could use the odd ones minus the even ones. So in this case, it's D, E, F minus A, B, C, But if DEF is smaller than ABC, then you could do it the other way around. But if you wonder why, here is why. Because 1001 is divisible by 7, you could split it into this. Because AB is in the thousandths digit. So then that means it's worth 1000 ABs. But 1000 is 1001 minus 1. So you could split it into 1001 AB and then minus 1 AB. So I arranged it here just to make it simpler. And then you know that 1001 is divisible by 7, so that means all you have to do, so that means you could ignore that part because you already know what it doesn't matter what AB is. As long as it times 1001, it's always divisible by 7. So you only have this left. You can ignore that part. So you only have CDE minus AB. So as long as that part is divisible by 7, the whole thing is divisible by 7. So that means we could do the same thing for here, 16A65. So first we could split it into A from the right, so A65 and 16, and we could find the difference, and then that difference has to be divisible by 7. And here it's probably a 65 minus 16 because even if A is 0, then 65 minus 16 is still bigger. So we could put 65 at the top to minus. So then here 5 minus 6, no? So 15 minus 6 is 9. And then you took 1 away, so it's 5 minus 1 equals 4. 49, and 49 is already divisible by 7. So A could be 0. It could be just only 65 minus 16 equals 49. So that means A, one possibility is 0, but the other one is 7 because 700 is also divisible by 7. So you could just add that onto the answers. So 7. Then 749 is also divisible by 7. So then the answer, what A could be, is 0 or 7.